Well, Davo, the only thing I can say after doing the diagnosis is that bottom lower control arm is just rolling too much. I can't get wheel alignment. I can't help. I think the only thing we can do is just put a coil back in it and to see. And I'm happy to spend the time today to just muck around with the coil, put it in, wheel align it, and just see what happens.
Alright, this is what we're looking at here. IntelliRide system. Billet arms. Doesn't seem to be getting wheel alignment. What do you reckon, Steve?
Well, having a look at the wheel alignment spec, it's just changing every time I go on and off this hoist. It's not really holding its shape. But automatically I can see that this arm and this bush is really taken. It's punished. Like, it's pulled right over. It's got little stress fractures. Like the geometry of this arm is not sitting straight. I can't physically get an alignment when it keeps changing its position. You can see it. Like, have a look here. So for me to get auto leveling and wheel alignment to work perfect for this customer, I just can't get it. So yeah, what do you reckon, Dave?
I'd like to take the air out of the bag, probably suspend the car from the diff, and then we'll see how this arm behaves.
Yeah, let's get it back down to a standard height and just see what this arm does, and hopefully we can get this arm to sit better with new bushes, or we'll take the next step. Well, Davo, I'm very happy now. We've managed to get the wheel alignment. I can roll off, I can roll back on, and I'm getting the same specs again. It's holding its shape. But you can see straight away that this is sitting at a nice true angle now, and look, when you put the coil back in, it's pushed down into that cavity and it's at the lower section. I think it's pulling everything nice and straight, so I really like this. It's come up a treat.
Yeah. Coil sitting in the bucket there, it's like a Tetris piece giving it structure.
And smack in the middle, I've got full wheel alignment back. Everything's perfect. I'm over the moon.